Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is extra special because we're celebrating the birthday of our dear friend Karen. And we're not celebrating just anywhere. We're here at beautiful Dubai Marina for an amazing Yacht birthday celebration. Come along and with us. We enjoy the views, the food, the fun, and make unforgettable memories together. Look at these guys. The yacht is absolutely beautiful. The weather is perfect, the water is calm, and the views around Dubai Marina are just stunning. I can't think of a better way to celebrate a birthday. Guys, look at these views. The Dubai skyline from the water is absolutely breathtaking. Every angle is picture perfect. This is definitely one of those memories you want to remember forever. I am taking you guys with me on a yacht experience here in Dubai Marina. We'll see the skyline, Atlantis, blue water, sunset views, food vibes, everything. So stay until the end because this is literally one of the best experiences in Dubai.
Happy birthday to you! Cheers! Cheers to the one! Ano, 30th? 30th you are! 30th! After 1 year, 40 na! Wala yan, nakapinang pa. Dayo, okay na, dayo. Ang sarap. Gamot,
I just want to greet our birthday girl. Happy birthday, Karen. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend. We wish you happiness, good health, success, and more blessings in the years ahead. We're so happy to celebrate this special day with you. A moment like this reminds us how important friendship is. Life gets busy, but spending time with the people you care about and celebrating milestones together is something truly special. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Dubai adventures, celebrations, and lifestyle content. Once again, happy birthday, Karen! See you all in the next vlog. Bye, everyone!